just parked the car. We thought we'd get here a little early, try to get there before a lot of people, but it's the grand opening and this is the first weekend, so everybody and their mother there. So yeah, we'll see what it's really like, you know. I'd really like to welcome everybody to the brand new park, pier, and floating island, Little Island, that just opened this weekend. A lot of people though. Some people got masks on, some people don't. It's a brand new $260 million floating island located right off of 14th Street and the Hudson River. Now, this $260 million floating island was funded primarily by the Diller von Furstenberg Family Foundation. As you see, a lot of people out here. But it's good. New York City feels like it's almost back now. The views are spectacular, and it's a way to really escape the hustle and bustle of New York City. Beautiful greenery, beautiful amphitheater, walking lanes, and just overall great views. And best of all, it's open to everybody and free to enter from 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. However, you do need a reservation between noon and 8 p.m. So if you do come, make sure to do that and plan accordingly. Sorry about that. So when you walk up, it looks like each truck has a different menu, but in actuality, they all have options for everything. So you can scan a QR code that allows you to have access to the whole menu. So I advise y'all just to go to the one with the shortest line.
So when you get to the front and you place your order, they ask for your phone number, and that's so they can send you a text when your food is ready. And it was pretty easy and simple.
Yep. I ended up getting a spicy chicken sandwich. It looks like the one from Popeyes, but it's $12.
And I got a grilled cheese sandwich.
This is how much was this mimosa?
$12.
This $12 little mimosa.
It's like a little sippy cup.
Quarter water.
It has sourdough bread, American cheese, super crusty.
Here goes the bite.
What are we thinking?
It ain't the Popeyes one. And it's 3 times the price. But it needs more kick. It's kind of bland, to be honest, but it'll do for what it needs to be.
How much more did you pay for the kick?
I think the regular one was $7 and this one was $12 for a kick that it don't got. So just get the regular chicken sandwich.
Alright, so I got the passion fruit mimosa, and I thought it was really tiny, but it's actually just enough. It's really sweet, it's a little bit tart. I liked it, it's good.
Is it worth the $12?
$12? I don't know.
So this is another thing that's really cool. Play some music, Liv. Step harder. And just like that, we're heading out. Amazing experience. Check it out, y'all. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel for future content. Stay tuned here, y'all.